условиях глобальной нестабильности Казахстан сохраняет позицию равновесия и открытости к диалогу. И этот опыт сегодня интересен многим странам.
Hello, we are conducting the quality research project of the Museum of the First President of the Republic of Kazakhstan. Our topic is Foreign Policy and International Relations of the Republic of Kazakhstan. So, the purpose of this study is to understand how museum artifacts reflect Kazakhstan's international relations, diplomatic development, and global cooperation after independence. In this project, we use museum artifacts as primary research sources through observation, analysis, and curator consultation.
Before visiting the museum, we developed several research questions. First, how do museum artifacts reflect Kazakhstan's foreign policy priorities? Second, what do diplomatic gifts and international documents reveal about Kazakhstan's relationship with other countries? Third, how does the museum present Kazakhstan's role in international organization and global cooperation? Finally, what image of Kazakhstan is communicated through these activities?
During our fieldwork, we carefully observed the museum environment and analyzed several artifacts related to diplomacy and international relations. Many exhibitions included diplomacy gifts from foreign leaders, official documents, photographs of international meetings, and symbols of cooperation and global organizations. The artifacts were displayed with focused light and detailed descriptions, emphasizing their political and historical importance. And we also noticed that many objects symbolized peace, partnership, and international recognition. And we also examined museum labels and writing descriptions to better understand the historical context of each artifact.
One important artifact we analyzed was a diplomatic gift presented by a foreign delegation. This object represents mutual respect and international partnership between Kazakhstan and other nations. Another significant exhibition was related to Kazakhstan's participation in international organizations such as the United Nations. These artifacts demonstrate how Kazakhstan positioned itself as an active and peaceful member of the global community after independence. Through these exhibitions, the museum communicates ideas of diplomacy, cooperation, and national identity.
Which artifacts best represent Kazakhstan international relations?
I think that a lot of exponent artifact has in a museum, especially in the museum of the first president on Bukikhan Street 1. And I know that a lot of documents of our cooperation with famous international organization has at this museum. For example, resolution with United Nations and about information about the creation of CICA, Conference of Interaction and Confidence Measure in Asia, because I know that this organization was created by initiative of Kazakhstan. Therefore, I think a lot of documents and photos, maybe another artifacts has of globalization, especially in the process of cooperation with another countries and many famous and also leaders of the states visited these museums, and across their visit, I think that our historical and cultural heritage popularized in the world community.
Thank you. The curator explained that many artifacts in the museum reflect Kazakhstan's effort to build peaceful diplomatic relations and strengthen international cooperation. According to the curator, the exhibits also demonstrate how Kazakhstan developed its global image after gaining independence.
After analyzing our observation, field notes, documents, and the curator consultation, we identified several key themes. The first theme was international cooperation. The second theme was peace and diplomacy. The third theme was Kazakhstan's global identity and international recognition. These themes appeared repeatedly across the museum artifacts and the historical materials.
In conclusion, this research project helped us understand how museum artifacts can serve as a valuable primary sources for studying international relations and foreign policy. The Museum of the First President presents Kazakhstan as a country focused on diplomacy, cooperation, and global partnership. Through observation, artifact analysis, and curator consultation, we gained a deeper understanding of Kazakhstan's role in the international community. Thank you for watching.